YouTube. Yeah, man. This is 2001 PC Gamers Game of the Year, Ghost Recon. This is an edited version of my most successful Facebook gaming video yet, with over 200,000 views, like 217,000 views. It's freaking amazing. The map is Embassy. Embassy, I think, is the best map. Tell me in the comments if you know the game. This game is freaking great. Come see me live on my live stream at Charly Sardo Gaming on Facebook. If you like this content, hit the freaking like button, subscribe, hit the bell, help the channel. I love you guys. Okay, I have to finish this now. I have to stop dying.
On our way.
This is no mistakes. That guy almost got us killed. Oh no, come on, man. See, there's two guys behind me that are AI, and they are getting me killed.
Kill confirmed.
Okay, now I have to do this. I want to change weapons, and I gotta run up a little bit, and I gotta shoot this guy in the window. Got him.
Goodbye.
Now I have to run over here, kill these guys. Got them all.
Goodbye.
Okay, you guys run to me. Dude, great start. You know what? We're finishing this game today. Saving it. Sorry, man. Sorry to save the game, but I want this map done on this mission. I'm gonna go back to the Facebook gaming. Look at him. He's supposed to scare you, and you shoot him, and you're bad because he's just a little boy. He's a civilian, and you don't want to kill him. Now, this whole thing here is a little bit shady. I want to shoot this freaking window. The problem is, there's these guys. These guys that come from right here. There's the guy in the window. Got the window.
Confirmed. He's history.
There's one more. He's running away. Where'd he go? Come back.
Kill confirmed.
Oh my god. Now I gotta be sure there's no one I don't
We got a casualty.
No! We lost one man. Okay.
Kill confirmed.
I think we got them all. The red... See the red in the middle? The red dot means there's someone very close to me. Those are people in this building. I know exactly... Oh! Yeah, is anyone popping from over here? Right there. Oh! I should have saved! I should have saved! I should have saved! It's freaking fun, man! Have you ever tried the game Conflict Dreamstorm? I've never seen that, Rian. Still on coffee cam. Oops! Oh! They're very generous when you shoot at the civilians. We've taken a lot of time. He's gonna be close.
Another kill.
Okay, I just feel like... Oh, I don't have a grenade launcher. So I can't go that way. We're gonna not worry about the guy in the freaking window. We're gonna deal with the cluster F. And we're gonna save the game. Right here. Save game. New save game. Guys. Yeah, so far so good, man. So far so good. There's gonna be a million guys over here. If I die... Should I save on every kill and just get this freaking game done? Sometimes they go down the stairs, and you gotta be careful of that. Crouch. Crouch. What? Schrader, dude. Who are you, man? You play chess? You gotta get back into chess, bro, because that's pretty much what we do.
Scratch another one.
Reloading. And there's someone close, and I feel like he might be right here. Okay, he's not. He's not. I'm checking my butt. You gotta check your butt sometimes, right? Oh. Oh, there's one right here. He's right here.
Another kill. Scratch another one.
Anyone else?
Scratch another one.
Backing up.
Another kill.
Dude, don't die. See, the AI is gonna die, man. Run. I'm running so he'll follow me. Okay. Okay, now everyone's behind us. Now all I have to do is run like a little baby. Welcome to the Chillers, man. Schrader, thank you, man. Glitching just makes it feel nostalgic. I'm playing RuneScape with 2 FPS right now. Well, all I saw was a 2. My chat might be cut off. Oh! Is he a bad guy? This guy's right here, and that guy was right there, right? Who just shot me? Where'd he go? He didn't go this way. Someone just killed me. Who just killed me? He killed me and then went this way? I don't know what happened. I don't care. Here's what I'm doing. I'm finishing this right now. This is the baby way to go. We're gonna hit this thing. We're gonna avoid the tanks. Can I beat the tank? I'm gonna get shot at. I got shot at last time. Okay, the tanks are coming. You will love this free. No way, we're back. I missed it. Whedon, we got the graphics better. And we're gonna finish the freaking mission right now. It won't let me comment. What do you mean it won't let you comment? Do we come this way? There's gonna be more mobs. Oh god. Okay, we got some over here. Careful. The tanks are coming all the way back where we were. All I have to do is get in here. Now I'm gonna save right here. Escape, save game, new save game. Okay, now I'm being a baby. Somewhere like right here. Okay, there's one really close. I remember him. I remember you. I remember you. You're right freaking here. Come on. Show me your face. Show me your face. No, they were saying they were all over to the left. I knew he was there. I knew he was there. I think there's one that comes from behind the building. I still have to take the top of the building. No one there. I have to take the top of the building and get to the extraction zone. Which is, I think, right on top of that. Now, map. I'm there. I inspected... secure the bank. Go to the extraction zone. Extraction zone. Okay, let's just find out where that is. Command. Extraction zone. I'm on top of it. Okay, it's because my other team isn't there. So they should be dead. What team is that? Is that, okay, that's Bravo. Bravo, I'm gonna send them on a freaking death mission. Bravo, get your butts
at all costs
to me. Let's watch them. You want to watch them? Oh no, if I watch them, if I watch them, they won't do it. We can watch them this way. I sent them on a mission. They're running to me. If they die, that's okay. As long as I don't die right here. There's freaking tanks, man. Do I have a, oh, now I'm starting to get goofy, guys. I'm Team A. Alpha. Soldier. One guy. No. Where's Charlie? Charlie's alive too? Where's Charlie? Charlie, you gotta come too, bro.
at all costs.
Everyone has to
We're
come.
gone. Got a tank.
You got a tank. Oh my god. You know what? I think we win anyway. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't have a freaking, how do I switch? Got a tank. I'm gonna take the tank out. I have a guy literally on
Scratch one piece of Russian scrap.
on the win. So if we both die, that's Charlie. Okay. Where's the other piece of Russian scrap? I should be able to see them on my map, right? No, it doesn't show them. Now I'm goofing off, man. I should save before I goof off. Save game. New save. Guys, we're finishing this. David Wren, how you doing, man? Look at you go now. You're crushing through it. Schrader, man. Who are you, Schrader? Where are you from, brother? Where's the other tank? There's guys coming. Okay, stand up. Stand up tall like a man. Right here. And we're just gonna run. Oh my god.
We're here.
Run, run, run. Secure the bank. Complete. Extraction zone incomplete. Okay, why am I not at the extraction zone? No. No. Continue. Why am I not at the extraction zone? Who is this guy? Lester? You need to lay down for, like a bug for a second, if you don't mind. Lester.
Holding position.
Lester.
Holding position.
Who is this guy? He wants to die. Tim Dixon. Lay down like a little bug until I can figure out what the problem is here. Everyone's on the extraction zone. What am I doing wrong, guys? But the point is... Okay, well, is there a middle? Okay, let's go right in the middle. And we'll snuggle. Let's snuggle. Snuggling in the middle. Demo boy. Oh, this guy wasn't there. That guy wasn't there. Freaking did it. Done. Bam.